my channel. Today's video is on how to achieve longer lashes with just using mascara, no falsies, no lash extensions. So if you guys are interested in this video, please keep watching and give this video a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do to start this video is share with you guys the products I'm going to be using. So I would recommend, if your lashes are not naturally curled upward, if they tend to like stick straight out or just, you know, have no really curl or lift to them, I would recommend using a lash curler. Personally, I don't have that issue, so I don't use a lash curler because it bothers my eyes. They'll water way too much, so I don't use that personally. But if you do, get one of those. The next thing is the Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer, and this is a white formula. And I've been loving this guy. I have two mascaras that I'm going to be using today. The first one is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Looks like this. And it has kind of like a wand that starts larger and goes smaller to a point. This mascara is a volumizing mascara, but it also provides some more definition to the lashes, making them nice and black and thick without looking too clumpy. That's the key. And the next one is the Bad Gal Bang, and this one's from Benefit, and this is also a volumizing mascara. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my lashes, and this is just for my, I'm not going to prime my lower lashes. I could, but I don't necessarily want those to look bigger, just my upper lashes. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do that. Okay, so that's all done. As you can see, they look a little crazy right now. The first thing I'm going to do is go into my volumizing mascara, and this is going to provide my lashes with some length. So I'm taking my Bad Gal Bang one, and I'm actually going to start going on top of my lashes. Now, this is going to look weird at first. They're going to kind of point straight out at you, but I promise this is how I'm going to get that length in them. So going on top first, adding like 2 coats of that on top, and then I'm going to do the same thing, but go on the bottom with my wand and pull upward. And you'll see I do kind of like a motion to try and get the product up on the lashes. All right, so there's about 1 coat of the volumizing mascara and the lash primer. The next mascara we're going to go into is the Essence Lash Princess. And I'm going to take this wand and just go underneath my lashes. Okay, another tip I have while you're doing this is as you're applying the mascara to kind of blink. So watch my lashes. So I'll just like do some little blinks and that'll also kind of do the same thing as going back and forth with the wand. All right. Once they dry, I'm going to share with you a tool I like to use as well, and you don't need this. If you like the clumpy look, just leave them how they are. This is something I got from the dollar store. It is called the Brow Groomer, so they want you to use this for your brows. But I use this little comb to brush through my lashes so they don't look as clumpy. For my lower lash line mascara, I will do this sometimes. I don't always do this just because it bothers me when I get makeup underneath my eyes. But I'm going to use my Bad Gal Bang and just quickly do like a little coat Nothing too crazy, just to create some color on those lower lashes. So I'm gonna let these dry and then I'll be back and I'll show you how to declump. Okay, so I had to go change. I got mascara on that dress, so I wanted to quickly get it into the wash and get that stain remover on it so it doesn't get ruined. So now that my lashes are pretty much dry, let me kind of show you up close how they look. Nice and voluminous. I'm going to take that wand and brush through these guys and just get out any clumps. Mine aren't too bad today because both of these mascaras are pretty new, but once they start to get older, they'll start to just clump more and create those little like black dots. We don't want that look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This was so much fun for me to film. I love sharing beauty tips with you guys on my channel. It's one of my favorite videos to film. So please subscribe down below if you haven't already and check out my other videos. I have other tips, makeup tutorials, favorites. I do a bunch of those videos and they are all down below, and leave in the comments below any video ideas you might have. I'm always looking for new suggestions or things you guys want to see. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.